For and since. Welcome back to the channel. Here's another quick English grammar lesson. For and since in the present perfect tense. When do we use for and since? Stay tuned, you're going to find out. We use for and since to say how long something has been happening. We use for plus a period of time. For 3 hours, it means 3 hours ago it started and is still true now. Let's see some examples. For 3 hours. For 15 minutes. For 2 days. For 10 weeks. For 6 months. For 50 years. For a long time. For ages. For weeks. For years. For 20 seconds. For 2,000 years. Alright, let's see when we use since. We use since plus the start of a period. Since 8 o'clock. So, since 8 o'clock, it means that 8 o'clock is the start of the period. Let's see some examples. Since 8 o'clock. Since Monday. Since October. Since Christmas. Since school started. Since 2022. Since I got up. Since you arrived. Since the 4th of July. Since Friday. Since he lost his job. Since summer. So, one more time. When do we use for? We use for plus a period of time, and we use since plus the start of a period. Let's see some examples. We have been waiting for 3 hours. We have been waiting since 8 o'clock. They have been married for 10 years. They have been married since 2015. It's been raining for 5 hours. It's been raining since lunchtime. They have known each other for years. They have known each other since 2020. I haven't had a holiday for 5 years. I haven't had a holiday since school started. It hasn't rained for a few weeks. It hasn't rained since April. Now fill in the blanks with for and since. All of the sentences are in the present perfect. We have lived here since 2015. I have had this jacket for many years. They've been in the library for 3 hours. He hasn't eaten anything since yesterday morning. She's worked at the cafe since she left school. I've played the piano since I was a child. The dog has been missing for 2 days. They haven't spoken since last weekend. We've been neighbors for over 10 years. And here are some other examples for you. So, that's it. It was a short video, and now you know how to use the for and since with the present perfect tense. Before you go, here's the challenge. Write a sentence with for and one with since in the comments below. I'll check them and I'll reply. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.